Hi guys, welcome to Filament PHP series, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to send a welcome email to newly registered user in Filament PHP. So let's get started. So let me go over here. I already set up the fresh Filament PHP project, and you can see that here is the login page, but there is no registration page. So let me go to VS Code editor first, and here let me go over here inside the provider filament and admin panel provider, and here what we have to do for registration. So here I will just add register. Okay, this is the method that you have to use. Save it. Sorry, not register, registration. Okay, this is the method you have to use for allow register to the register in your filament PHP project. Save it. Let me go over here, hit refresh, and now you can see that sign up for account. If you click over here, now user able to sign up on the publicly. Okay, so what we are going to do the next is when you click on sign up, then it should be a register, and also we received like user received the welcome email like thank you for your onboarding and something like that. So let me go and create an email first. Okay, so let me open new tab, and first let's configure the mail. Okay, so make mail, and you can see that welcome mail and dash markdown emails dot welcome. So hit enter, and now you can see that they have created new class called welcome mail, and they have also created a new bled file using markdown. Let me go back to the VS Code editor, and first of all go to the mail folder, welcome mail, and here I will define the one public variable called user $user, and that will come from the user. Okay, so like this, user and $user, and this user will be model object. Okay, user model object. So you can see that we have to import, save it. So that means we have defined the public variable that's called user, and the next is we need to change our subject, and I will just, you can write any subject you want for the email, but I will say like welcome to our platform. I will just keep simple the message that I will keep, and you can see that inside the emails folder there will be a welcome.bled file. Okay, let me go to the resource, views, and emails, and welcome. So you can see that they have already predefined markdown setup they have provided. Same way we are going to follow that, and I will just make it welcome, and I will use directly user object over here because we have already defined the user object and variable. So you can see that user name like this. Okay, and here you can write any message. So I will just write like thank you for register with us. Okay, and please proceed to access our dashboard, something like that message I'm going to display over here inside your email. You can write any line you want to do. This is the demo, so that's why I will keep it simple. And button, you can see that text, I will just say get started. Okay, like this. Save it, and you can also set up the URL if you want, like this way. I will call URL and like this. Okay, but you can write like any URL, dashboard directly link also you can give. We keep simple. Save it. Now next what we have to do, we have created an email configuration. So next step is that make sure you have to enter your SMTP details over here, like a mailer, SMTP host, port, and all the details. Okay, I'm not going to show you the password and all the things, but you can set up your own. I have defined my own, the username, password, and all the things. Okay, next what I'm going to do, I will create new page. Okay, that's called auth page. So PHP artisan Mac filament page, and inside the auth folder there will be a register page. Hit enter, and they say would you like to create this page on resource? I will say no, and you can see that they have created new page inside filament folder, pages, auth, and register. Let me go to the VS Code editor, filament pages, and you can see that inside auth folder there will be a register. Okay, So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to extend this, so I will use register auth pages register object. You can see that filament of pages, hit enter, and you can see that they have extend as well. So pages register over here. And next I need to add after register method. Okay, so what I'm going to do, protected function after register, and that will be a void return. And here let's dd $this. Okay, and let's see what we are getting. And this register class we need to add on our provider. So here let me add register filament pages, same class you need to give as argument, save it. And now let me go back to the browser and hit refresh, go to the sign up, and let's use the fact filler and click on sign up. And now you can see that we are able to fetch the dd. You can see because we have added the dd over here, you can see that. And what we are getting over here, let me go inside the data. We are able to get the name, email, password, and the confirmation password as well. So what we have to do the next, let me go over here. Here I will create new variable called user, and I will use user model colon where email, and I can directly access this data variable. You can see that inside that email key. Okay, like this, email and first. Then what I'm going to do, I will use the mail facade, and I will use two methods. So that means that will goes to the user email. So from the user object, then I will use the send method, and inside that I will use new and welcome mail, that what we have created, and argument we need to pass the user object, save it. So that means what it happens here, we created user variable that will get the from the email, and then we are going to as a sender we are going to set the email address from the user object, and then we pass the user object here, save it. Now let me go back over here, hit refresh. Let's use the fact filler, and here I'm going to use my real email, savani@gmail.com. okay, and let's click on sign up. Yeah, there is a problem over here. Yeah, what's this, getting started, maybe there is a problem over here. So here let me go to the VS Code editor, welcome.blad file, and here I don't require this to write because it's already colon URL, so that's the reason. Just make it space, save it. Let me go back, and I think let me roll back my migrations as well. Okay, so let me go because I don't will use the, then refresh, run it. Okay, because I don't use the same email again otherwise, so that's the reason. Hit refresh, use the fact filler, and again I'm going to use my real email and click on sign up, and you can see that it's wait. Yeah, you can see that I have successfully registered with this panel. Let me go to my email, and you can see that Laravel, welcome to our platform. If you click on it, you can see that here is my name, that what I have used from the fact filler. And thank you for registering with us. Please proceed to access the dashboard. If you click on it, you will redirect on our Laravel application. Okay, so this was very basic and a simple example of how you can send a welcome email, or you can see over here you can always overwrite your after registration something you want to do, like assign some special code, or you want to send a SMS, email, whatever things you want to do, that you can do like this way. If you like this video, then share with your friends, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, guys. See you in the next video.